Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to adjust text animation speed in FlexClip. Click the text box on the canvas and select the animation option at the top. On the left panel, you'll find a variety of animations in different categories. Click to apply an animation, then drag the slider to adjust its speed. You can preview the result instantly on the canvas. Go to the loop category and hover over an animation to preview it. You can also adjust the animation speed using the slider. If you've added general in or out animations, you'll see an additional duration option, which may affect the loop animation. Try to balance the timing between these animations for the best result. Let's preview the final result. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips in our video production series.